I bring po' boys to fights.
Let me tell you how badass this is. Alright, I spent $1,300 on this phone.
And
but guess what?
Show me about it.
Check out this YouTube, son.
Yeah.
Alright. Check that out, bro. Yeah. Alright. Let's check out the emails.
Dude, you got that dark mode.
Dude, got the dark emails?
mode,
Bro,
yeah.
but hold up. This just in, Poe forgot he was a YouTuber. This is Mello. This dude
is just a 6. We're gonna race some turbo cars. I'm gonna be riding in Lamborghini. So if y'all saw my video right there of the money shift, if y'all saw the money shift event, then you saw that Lamborghini there. And today we're gonna be riding in that car and racing. So it's gonna be pretty cool. I feel like we're packing for a picnic right now with all the backpacks in there. But no, we're going street racing. Taking Gavin's mom's Durango.
With a dog.
With a dog. So, dude.
Everything.
Gavin is setting up his new phones. He just got a new phone.
Oh, open up your phone, son. I need to airdrop this to you, and you gotta airdrop it to me because it's not airdropping from you.
All right, I got this. Why were you doing your Face ID with glasses on?
Because, dude, these glasses are nice.
So it's not gonna work when you're not wearing them.
Without glasses.
That's why people wear sunglasses in nightclubs.
I bought this phone, I shit you not, 4 hours ago, and I have not gotten to have a phone since.
Well, hey, bro.
On either of them.
Let
Because they've
me
been trying to activate it. No!
Why?
Because I don't know. I need
Hey,
a phone.
it's just a 6L's air fresheners. Gavin's car, which we all know what that is. So what you think about that GTR?
Dude, it's nice.
What you got done to it, if you don't mind saying? It's a turbo car? Huh. Size is that 80?
82, 85.
Okay. You have anything done to the block or stock?
It's an Ford Illuminator grade engine.
Good luck. Am I tripping? Sure, is there a cop car over there?
Oh, wow.
He said, what's good? I ain't here. You got you a sucker in your intake.
Yeah.
You leave it there?
I didn't know that.
Can't see all the beauty of it. Most of it's covered up. It's still a beautiful car. Okay, so I know it's done to the blue car. ZR1 is a ZR1.
ZR1 is stock ZR1. Blue car is an 82, 85, I believe, turbo.
Yeah, he told me about it.
And 1,000 wheel torque, dude.
Holy. GTR is full bolt-on, E85.
Made 660 all-wheel horsepower.
That's going to be a really good race for you.
Manual, 6-speed, full bolt-on Camaro.
And then you have your spinny whirly snake.
Spinny whirly snake.
And then, of course, everyone knows, oh, Taco Gang on point. There's my ride.
Bro, I had to watch my football, bro.
I seen you had a Raiders hat on. I knew they lost. High key, I missed you, man. We just got some news. There's another manual contender.
Yes, dude. Thank you so much. That is great. I would love to have a manual Hellcat, dude. That would be awesome.
They only made them in 15, dude.
Only in 15?
After that, they went to automatics.
Really?
So you have the gem.
I want to keep forever and ever, but I want a track hawk. That's what I really want.
Oh, track hawks are nice. I've ridden in one before.
The chosen one, I'm not the one to underestimate. I want the throne, I learned to crush obstruction, rush through barricades, levitate. Got it tatted on me, told them follow me. They see the vision, now it's 2020. Clear as Tahoe, Lexus, clear as day. No longer move around in fear, disarray. Pray you hear me like the winter wind against your window pane. Feel the bass, baby, soak it in and let it marinate. It's time to hustle, gotta muscle up and run through barricades, yeah.
So first ride will be in a full bolt-on E85 GTR owned by this man right here. How's it going? You ever had this car down or anything like that?
660 to the wheels on E85.
660 on E85. So it's gonna be a pretty fun run.
Yeah.
It's gonna be pretty sweet.
Two rolling anti-lag. You want to try that today?
Rolling anti-lag. Heck yes, that's gonna be sweet.
I can do map switching right here, but then I go to the screen with the boost right here. Let's go to the boost screen.
You're adjusting the boost just straight like that.
Yeah.
What the world?
Yep, 21 pounds, it wraps around.
Wow.
Then I go to the next screen. I can check my 85 content. My coolant temperature will show me 85 content.
What? All right, so everyone is rolling out. Yeah. The bikes are gonna make their hit. All right. 1, 2, 3. Oh my Lord. We are rolling. That was a solid race. So we're waiting on temps to cool down a little bit, then we can make a few more runs. We're gonna try and run this ZR1 right here. Yep. How close y'all were was amazing.
It probably took me like another half a second. He wouldn't get me.
Oh my gosh, this thing is putting in work. I think he wants to race you, that Corvette. Camaro. 1, 2, 3! So we're gonna stop here and turn around. Didn't know they had Walmarts in Mexico. Ooh, so we're gonna get to see a new angle of the GTR.
Oh, yeah, cool off.
Letting it cool off. Dang, that engine bay is so clean, man. Well, thank you for letting me ride in it, man.
Yeah, no problem, dude.
Thank you, it was awesome. And 3 for 3, ain't too bad.
I'll take it any day.
I would too. I'm about to weigh you down and put a big old sail and anchor on you.
We're gonna look good rolling though. We're gonna look low.
Oh yeah, dude. It's done doing all of the activities. We're gonna go and get something to drink and some ice cream probably. So we're gonna go stop, do that, and then get back to some more, and I'm gonna be riding in the Lamborghini, so that's definitely gonna be fun, and I'm looking forward to it.
Oh, let's get in with the Lambo.
Yeah, I'm getting the Lambo. Hey, you good luck as well. Good luck to your clutch. Well, she's on. Whoa, this thing is sweet.
Excuse my mess, bro.
There we go. And now we're in a rocket ship. Oh boy, I cannot wait. This is gonna be fun.
I know, but check it out.
Oh, that's the cop.
Yeah,
The car's still following us.
Yeah, if you don't mind,
1, 2, 3! This thing pulls. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3! Those temps back down a little bit and then we can do a few more runs. 1, 2, 3! Yep, they're looking for us.
Oh, yeah.
They're sitting on their brakes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're coming to get us. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I think we're about to get pulled over. Hey, they're pulling us over. Oh.
They gonna get damn ass. They got me up, man. I'm about to go dip off on one of these side streets.
Oh, they're blocking us.
Hey, they're pulling us over.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh man, she was go.
Bye, boy.
I don't know what's going on. Who they pulling over way in the front?
But he's getting pulled over right now. That cop still has his lights on.